Hello, my name is Dr. Manan. I am from Mumbai, India. I am a gynecologist and a laparoscopic surgeon, and I got to know about this cosmetic gynecology course which was held in Dubai from 14th to 16th of October via online, and it is organized by AECS. And a couple of very good things about this course is the organization was fantastic, everything was up to date, everything was smooth, right from the stay in the hotel to all the courses which was there. The first day we had lectures which was told to us in detail by Dr. Isabel, Dr. Amir and Dr. Suleiman, who are three of the best cosmetic gynecologic surgeons in the entire world today. And the second and third day we have come to a clinic where we were given hands-on experience on live patients. There was approximately one patient for every 3 or 4 doctors, and we were shown and made to perform many surgeries like labioplasty, vaginoplasty, carboxytherapy, laser treatment, PRP shots, O shots, A shots. And this was the reason why I chose this course, is because I wanted to know about the more invasive and non-invasive surgical techniques for cosmetic gynecology. And I'm very happy that I got all of that as a hands-on experience. The lectures were beautifully conducted and the courses were repeated even during the live lectures, and the patients were made to feel very comfortable and they were very cooperative also. So I'm very grateful to AECS for organizing this amazing fellowship course, which is accredited with the International Society of Aesthetic Gynecology, which is founded by Dr. Suleiman himself. And it's a wonderful course, and I would really recommend each and every one of you to come and join here, because not only do you get a beautiful theoretical knowledge, but you also get live hands-on on patients. Thank you.